What's up? Today, we're checking out 5 free video generators. Yeah, 5 of them. Let's dive in. First up, Google Flow. Head over to Google Flow, create an account, and you'll be generating videos in seconds. Now this right here is where you upload your image. Drop in your prompt and hit Generate. Pretty clean. I like that. Next up, Meta AI. Make sure you switch it over to video mode first. Don't miss that. Upload your image, add your action prompt, and let it run. It's okay, but I'm not really feeling that shimmer effect. Number 3. Hailuo AI. Go ahead, select video, upload your image, drop in your prompt, and generate. They've also got a few other tools on there too. Now, I've actually gotten much better results from Hailuo, so take your time, play around with your prompts, and really dial it in. And real quick, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates like this. Next up, Qwen AI. Same process, nothing crazy. Upload your image, add your prompt, and generate. Now here's what I like. Qwen actually includes sound in your video, so yeah, that's a big plus. I even had it say a few words just to test it out.
Heavenly power is in you. Heavenly power is
Not bad at all. Number 5, Kie AI. Same flow as the others, nothing new here. But what I do like is you can see all the different generators they've got on one platform. I'm just scrolling real quick so you can check everything out. Now I'm going to select Grok. For some reason, I kept getting an error with my first image, so I swapped it out, shortened the prompt, and now we wait for the results.
You are everything.
And that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and prosperity.